Namaste everyone. Today we're going to learn how to do cat and cow pose. It's a very effective pose for your spinal cord. The spinal column is backbone of your practice. So sit comfortably on your feet first and then lean forward on your palms. Palms are below your shoulders. Take your knees apart. Your inner knees are groins width apart this way. Toes are pointing back. Now bend your elbows down to your knees. This is how you start. You're measuring the distance between your palms and knees, and also between your palms. So to measure the distance between your palms, you want to wrap your fingers, palms around your elbows, and then open your forearms. So that's the distance between your palms, same as the distance between your elbows. And then you take a step further where your fingertips are. Fingers are pointing forward, so instead of going like this, you want to turn your index fingers pointing forward, parallel to each other. You're going to spread your fingers apart, you're going to get a nice grip. You're going to engage your fingertips, base of your fingers, and base of your palms. Okay. Now, inhaling, you will relax your lower back down and lift your chin up. Exhaling, round your back. Now look forward. You want to adjust your elbows. Your elbows, you want to turn your elbows backwards like this. Okay. And then project your focus to your fingers, palms, your forearms. Again, inhale, arch your lower back down, lift your chin up. Exhale, round your back. Again, inhale, arch your lower back down, and expand your collarbones, lift your chin up higher. Exhale, round your back, and moving your shoulder blades apart, outwards. Again, inhale, breathe, and expand your collarbones again. Exhale, round your back. Shoulder blades moving apart. Again, inhale, arch your back, and you can lean forward even a little bit. And exhaling, round your back. Shift your body a bit back towards your knees. Again, inhale, arch your back down, lift your chin up. Exhale, round your back. So that's how you do cat and cow pose. I hope you enjoyed this weekend. Thank you. Namaste.